Hey Fantastic You, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today we're going to work on the Cascade card. That is a new card under the Projects tab. So let's pop over to Projects. And there it is on the first row. If it's not showing on the front page when you go into Projects, just search Cascade card and you'll find it. Right now, I'm having an issue making the bigger of the two cards. Well, it looks bigger, but I don't think it is. The 3.4 inch by 5 inch. It's just not letting me actually go past the make it, cut it tab. So I did try the 4 inch by 5.9 inch, and that one, let me switch screens there, is the one on the right. And it's letting me do that one, so that's the one we're going to do today. And that's the one I have on my screen. I'm going to make this a Thinking of You card. So I have one in mind that I want to use. There it is there. It's got the little butterfly, so it is pen and cardstock. And we are going to have to make it a bit smaller. So you got two different ways you can get this measured properly. You can flip it 90 degrees. Not 180, 90. And just line it up at the front one there. So that should be good there. The other thing you can do is ungroup everything and take the main parts of the cards, so these ones there, and rotate those ones until it works. I am going to add a score line to our butterfly Thinking of You. So let me grab a shape, score line. I'm going to detach the pen for now. I'm going to highlight everything and click Align Center. And then I'm going to reattach everything. So there, I'll get a nice score line, and you'll see that when we put the card together, why I wanted to add that. But I'm going to get this cut out, and I'll see you at my craft table. Here is everything cut out, including our Thinking of You. I did go with double-sided paper. So I got flowers and polka dots. If you're going to use double-sided paper, when you lay everything out the way I have, whatever you have showing for your pattern, so in this case, the polka dots, this is going to end up being the top part of your card. And then the other side will be the bottom part. So hopefully that makes sense. So you'll see that you've got 2 cuts and 3 scored lines. Scored line there, scored line there, scored line there. You're only folding the center scored line. So we'll get that folded right now. So there, top of the card, bottom of the card. Our inserts, we're going to put one right there. You can use whatever tape or glue you want to use. I'm going to use tape on this one, and hopefully I lay them down nicely. Okay, so there's not a lot of edge. So your scored line is only there so you can see where you need to line everything up. So there we go. Then your other piece, you got to flip it over, and it's going to go right there. So that's why I put the score in, so I can see exactly where it lines up. And then you do the exact same on the other side. I'll get that done and then I'll bring you back. Okay, there is the other side done. And these just slide in together. You got top slits and bottom slits. So there. We got one more piece to add, and that is our thinking of you. Put the score line in. And that way it will just lay flat, somewhat flat. Because you can fold the card that way. So make sure everything is lined up before you attach this last piece, because once you do, the card's going to stay together at that point. Here is the final reveal. I went with this cute, simple paper for the envelope. There's the back of the card. There's the front. That's how it sits. So there's a better front view of that. So super cute card, lots of different colors and patterns that you can choose from, and lots of different banners you can put on the front. Or if you had a solid color paper, you can just write your message on the front. No problem. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.